It's a laundry area being remodeled, bathroom. That's where your washer and dryer goes. Enter into a bathroom that's been demoed. New lab. Of course, the toilet. Tub goes there. You go up the steps to another bathroom that we're roughing at. We got Lamar putting in the double sink, drains for the double sink. We got PVC cast iron. The toilet goes, putting in the 2 double sinks. Shower pan right here.